Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna show how to use camera tool with create 3D scenes. So first one, let's select these image clouds and let's move inside our composition. So after finish video I will share these images and let's change quality quarter and let's select these all layers. Let's click this icon for 3D layers. So let's create new camera. Let's right mouse, new and camera. And don't change any settings, click OK. So right now I want to make new controller for these movements. Select this camera 1 and right mouse, go to camera, let's create orbit null. And for move anchor point center, select this null object, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. Click selection tool and go to active camera. Let's change view 1. Okay, so select this first cloud layer and press P. Let's move to back. Okay, let's change view to top and select this first cloud. Let's move to back. And select this next cloud layer, press P and also move to back. Okay, select this next cloud layer, press P, move to back. Okay, select next cloud layer, also move to back. And let's select these last 4 cloud layers. Let's move to back like this. Okay, let's select this next cloud layer, press P and move to back, and last cloud layer, press P, move to back. Okay, so let's change view active camera and let's see. Okay, so let's select these all close images and close settings. And right now let's select this new object. Let's press P and make new person keyframe. Go to 8 seconds. Let's press N for select work area. And let's change movement like this. Let's hold shift for more movements. Okay, let's animation. So not bad. And right now let's select this first layer, select this first cloud or last cloud, and let's move to right and select this close layer, Ctrl D and move to left for duplicate. Let's see. Okay, also we can move up and let's back to null object, select first keyframe and change movement like this for more realistic. Let's see. Okay, and let's go to some seconds, select this next cloud and move to right. Let's Ctrl D, move to left and move to up a little bit for random clouds. Let's see. Okay, let's select this first clouds, move to down. Okay, let's see. Nice. And next clouds layer, let's select this layer 5 and move to up, move to here, and let's select this clouds 6. Let's see which cloud layer. Okay, and these clouds, let's move right, Ctrl D for duplicate, move to left and move to back or move to front. Nice. And next clouds, let's move to down and Ctrl D, move to down here and move to left. Nice. And let's move to front a little bit and left. Okay, next clouds, let's select here and let's first select this clouds 4, move to right, press S, change scale and Ctrl D, move to left, move to down, and let's right mouse, let's use flip horizontal and move to left. Let's move to back a little bit. Okay, let's move up and change scale like this. Okay, let's move to down a little bit. Okay, so select this last keyframe and let's hold shift, change movements for all clothes. Let's say again. Okay, that's good. And right now let's select these clothes. Let's select these clothes, move to down for more random. Let's move to right. Okay, and select next clothes. Let's move to right and clothes 2. Move to left, press S, change scale, move to down and move to front. Control D for duplicate, move to up. And right mouse, let's use again flip horizontal and move to back. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's create new solid layer for sky. Go to layer, new and solid layer. Add name sky. Click OK and move to behind all clothes layers and go to effects presses, search effect gradient ramp. Select this gradient ramp. Let's use for sky layer and change end color light blue and start color, let's use blue color like this. Click OK, let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's go to again layer, new, and let's create adjustment layer. Let's move tab and change name lens. Go to effects presses, search effect lens and let's use lens flare for this adjustment layer. Okay, let's change point like this and change brightness. Okay, we can change lens type here. Let's for example use 35 or 105. Okay, let's see. So let's use first lens type and change brightness. Okay, let's see. So not bad. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.